Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. We're back at ISE 2023 in Barcelona on the 2N stand, joined by Gareth. Welcome back, Gareth. And we're here with your flagship product, the IP Style, and you've got news for us of the latest upgrades, which is the AntiBac screen. Tell us all about it. Why do we need it? And what additional benefits is it giving to the product?
With pleasure, Chris. So I think we're all aware post-COVID that there's more and more installations that we meet with a heightened awareness of the need for hygienic surfaces, for touchless kind of solutions. So in response to that, we've created a version of the IP Style available with this AntiBac screen coating or screen protector. Now, what this actually features is a protector that's placed at our factory over the main screen of the IP Style, so it's fitted in-house straight onto the unit. What benefit that brings is it actually uses a screen protector with about 44 different patents worldwide, which actually allow the screen itself to kill 99% of bacteria and viruses within 2 minutes of coming into contact with the screen. So it maintains that level of hygiene, it maintains that cleanliness, that antibacterial surface.
So Gareth, as well as that antibacterial additional protection it gives, it's also given an additional physical protection to the product as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as we're all familiar with putting screen protectors on our phones, I don't know if anything like me, you tend to drop your phone from time to time or it gets scratched up with the keys in your pocket. So I've got a screen protector on mine, and the screen protector here provides a similar kind of benefit besides the antibacterial properties. So it brings 9H level of toughness, which means it's even more protected against vandals that might like to try and cause damage through scratching with keys and this type of thing with knives. So yeah, that extra level of physical toughness, let's say, against scratches.
Now this is the latest model, which can be supplied with or without the screen. But let's say I've already lucky enough to have an IP Style installed on my building. Is there a retrofit version for the screen as well?
Absolutely, you can order the screen protector separately and fit it yourself. But as you mentioned, we have an order number for the IP Style complete with the screen protector, so we fit it for you and ship it out directly for you. You don't have to bother with fitting it yourself.
So the IP Style AntiBac screen and the version of the Style with the screen pre-installed is available now, available in the UK from CIEgroup.com.